Wanna know how to use HashMaps in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use HashMaps. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, we have this simple code right here, and in this code, we use a HashMap, one of the most powerful collection types in Java. It stores data in key-value format like a label and its data. We create a map called scores and then you used put method to assign 95 to the key math. So right here you can see we are using the put method and assigning map to 95. Then we use the get keyword to fetch the value using the key. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just simply see this get code right here. And you can store usernames with passwords, student names with grades, anything with a unique key. The best part, it's super fast behind the scenes. It uses hashtag to find values quickly. This is used everywhere. APIs, databases, games, and all fast access. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.